The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central Cook County in south-central Georgia, southwestern Irwin County in south-central Georgia, northwestern Berrien County in south-central Georgia, northeastern Colquitt County in south-central Georgia, Tift County in south-central Georgia, southeastern Worth County in south-central Georgia, until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Tai, or 10 miles southeast of Sylvester, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tifton, Enigma, Omega, Tai, Phillipsburg, Unionville, Vanceville, Minton, Hillsdale, El Dorado, Scooterville, Tempe, Doylestown, Harding, Tift Airport, Center, and Brookfield. Precautionary preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for South Central Georgia.